A total legit review on a product right now. I have many health issues and years of wearing acrylics and gels before that, but I think it's mostly because of my anemia. But my nails are so ridgy, if you can see. They just, so like if I do like one coat of solid, it just looks yuck. And so I've got this ridge filling nail primer, and you can do like one or two coats on it and then like either leave it by itself. It's supposed to give you like a clear look, like a smooth look, or just do it as a base coat if you want like to have that nice perfect type look of manicure. So I'm really interested to see how it works for my ugly nails. Like I even have like a legit crooked fingernail, but that's not, I was born that way. My dad actually has ones too. So let's. However, they definitely look a lot smoother and a lot shinier. But now I'm going to apply some polish and see if I can get a different experience with a solid than I have in the past, because I just never used solids because they were just too thin and so bumpy for me to find a solid, but clear in my own, what I keep for my stash, because I don't wear solids. So I'm going with this dark green. Would you rather? We're going to go, gives me a little Christmas vibe. Make sure you guys can see this. So I noticed right away that where I normally would have like lines in here, I'm not seeing them. Okay. So it's giving me a nice smooth, a way smoother application than I ever have been able to get with solids before, which that's exciting. It makes me want to try maybe our plumping or matte top coat when trying to paint my nails forever. Before I found the Color Street nail polish strips, which is what I've been using for 6 years, I have never had a solid application, and I'm not just saying this, go on as good and look as good as this. And I know 100% the only thing different I did was use the ridge filler. So I'm literally shocked right now. The whole time I was like, oh my gosh, because it's just because of my nail health and everything, it's just always been a struggle. And so I'm excited. So now I'm like, do I want to use the plumper or a matte top coat, or put some little charms on top? So I actually got this bundle. It's mani topper, so it comes with a matte top coat and a plumping top coat. And you know, it's funny, I just showed these to my daughter and she's like, she's like, I can't even tell it's Color Street. So, oh, here comes my dogs. But so I had her vote and we decided we're gonna do the plumping top coat on these. So I'm going with the plumping top coat. This is meant to like volumize your nails with a gel-like look without having to, of course, spend that money or, you know, expose yourself to UV lights or whatever. So it says apply your favorite Color Street shade. It does say let it set for like 15 minutes, so it's like totally adhered and dried. And then you are just going to do a coat, or wait, did it say one coat? Yes, one coat. So all right, we are finished. I am thoroughly impressed. I'm gonna say it's a little bit over a minute to get him totally dry with the plumping top coat. So yeah, and I just see this as, for me, you know, I love using the nail strips, right? That's replaced me painting, but I just can't, you know, sometimes I have for, you know, gone and got gel nails or press-ons and put it over if I wanted like length or like just a better look. So I'm so excited about this because it's literally, it imitates a gel mani, how it looks, but now I just use my ridge filler, which you may not even need that. But if you have ridges at all, highly suggest. And then I put the strip on and then the pumping coat. And even with my finger here that's crooked, it's still like, it is so good. I'm really excited. And I would say, like, if you have everything together, probably start to finish like 15 minutes, depending on, you know, how you apply, how many interruptions you have. So these both definitely get my thumbs up. And then what I really love is when I'm done, I will be using our amazing acetone-free nail polish remover. The best nail polish remover I've ever used. Takes off glitters without having to scrub crazy. And so for someone like me, I've definitely been on a nail health journey. And I would say that probably started within the last like 7 months or so, where I actually was regularly using press-ons and then putting the nail strips on top of them. And press-ons ruin nails. Nothing you can say about it. There are no, and I've tried them all. Every type of press-on damages nails. So if that's something that's, you know, important to you, it has become important to me. Because like, you know, you're using glue or tabs or whatever, it's going to damage nails. end of the day. So being able to use something with a little better ingredients at home, take it off with better ingredients, and then take care of my nails with like cuticle oil or balm, strengthener and all of that. It's kind of, nails, it's a part of your health. So excited. I know this is a very, very long video, but I just wanted to try it for the very first time and record it when I did it for the very first time. So there you go.